Hey there! Have you ever wondered what really happens to your food after you take a bite? Well, buckle up, because today we're taking an amazing journey through the human digestive system. Let's find out how our bodies turn food into energy and nutrients. Ready? Let's go! First stop, the mouth. Your mouth is like the gateway to the digestive system. When you chew your food, your teeth break it down into smaller pieces. Saliva, that watery stuff in your mouth, contains enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates. Think of saliva like a superhero that begins digesting your food right away. Next, we slide down the esophagus. It's a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. Imagine a water slide for your food. When you swallow, your food travels down the esophagus through a series of wave-like motions called peristalsis. It's like a gentle massage pushing your food along. Now welcome to the stomach. This sac-like organ is where the real magic happens. Your stomach uses powerful acids and enzymes to break down proteins. The walls of your stomach churn and mix the food, turning it into a creamy mixture called chyme. It's like a food processor, but way cooler. From the stomach, we move to the small intestine. This is the superstar of digestion. The small intestine is where most of the nutrients from your food get absorbed. It's over 6 meters long, about the height of a giraffe. Enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates even further. The inner walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny, finger-like structures called villi, which absorb nutrients into your bloodstream. Next up, the large intestine. After the small intestine has done its job, the remaining waste moves into the large intestine. This organ absorbs water and minerals from the waste, turning it into solid stool. The large intestine is like a recycling center, making sure nothing useful gets wasted. But wait, let's not forget about the liver and pancreas. The liver produces bile, which helps digest fats, and the pancreas releases enzymes that aid in digestion. These two organs are like the unsung heroes working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. And there you have it. From the mouth to the stomach, all the way to the intestines, your body is a well-oiled machine designed to get the most out of every bite you take. Here's a fun fact to leave you with. Did you know your small intestine is over 6 meters long? That's longer than most people are tall. Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey through the digestive system. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and remember, science is always in session. See you next time.